Welcome to Cooking with Jack. Today we're going to be adjusting a recipe we found for carb-free peanut butter cookies, but we're going to make it with just standard stuff for peanut butter cookies. Except instead of having powdered sugar and then nutmeg or whatever the hell you use,
powdered sugar, egg.
we're just going to use sugar, flour, and peanut butter. We have this homemade setup I created since we're remodeling our kitchen, and we can't exactly do anything in the kitchen. So, we're going to start off with kind of a recipe. We're going to start off with small little batches, tablespoon of peanut butter, tablespoon of sugar, and a half tablespoon of flour. See if this actually works. I want to bake them for 10-15 minutes and see if they need more time.
With making only like one cookie, it'll probably only need like 5 minutes. But we can test.
About a tablespoon.
Yep.
Pause the video.
Go.
Okay.
Okay.
A tablespoon of peanut butter. We're going to go a tablespoon of sugar in there. This is a half tablespoon, so we're going to have to add in 2. And we're going to go a half tablespoon of flour.
Now mix.
Let me grab something to mix with.
Use your peanut butter spoon.
That's actually a really good idea.
I'm gonna preheat the oven.
Go ahead, go preheat while I start mixing this. I can help if you want. You
I
don't
got
want me
it.
to watch you.
I got it.
preheat.
I'm showing you. $3.50.
Can I get the mixer?
No. Cause you broke the hand mixer.
How?
I don't know, when you were making your failed chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah, don't trust me to make chocolate chip cookies, but
And he's following an actual recipe and he broke the mixer.
what do you think? Well, it'd be a little better mix if they actually that's what it actually worked, but
Take this.
since she's actually taking a cooking class, I think that's actually pretty damn good. Maybe a little less flour.
Sticky stuff.
Mix up some more. That fat ass cookie.
Maybe a little more.
Okay. I'm gonna go at grab a teaspoon.
Dude. Pinch of flour. On your. Alright. Taste it. Oh.
More sugar.
Yep.
Another half tablespoon.
Yep.
Here, let me mix. Trade.
It's done. Or it's not sticky.
So more sugar. Don't take out-
Why are you all zoomed?
Because I'm zooming in right on the top. What do you think?
Good.
Perfect. Okay. Possible cook, we're gonna go get hot.
Okay, so he's putting it on the pan. The little rings are from our dad's peanut butter cookies we made last night.
You're not gonna be perfect shape because we're not actually smart.
There we
Okay,
go.
let's wait
Push
for
it
that
down
oven.
just a little bit.
We're going to the oven to preheat.
And then cook it for about 5 minutes ish.
Yeah. If you go
Test
more,
it longer. We'll tell you how long we cook it
And
for.
if this works, we're gonna mix up a full batch.
Yeah, we are.
Because if this works, you call me a fucking genius because I thought of this idea all by myself.
It tastes plain, but because of the granules, but good. We'll see you guys when it's cooked. Okay, so the results of the first cookie were bad. Like,
So we're adding in.
it's like crumbly but doughy at the same time.
So
we're still gonna taste it, but we've added let me get a plate to put that on. But we added an extra half a tablespoon of flour.
So we have a full tablespoon of flour in now in it.
It looks like a normal cookie.
Tastes pretty good.
The dough, it's at least. Dump the cookie mess under here, and then we'll taste it for you guys. Yeah, this baked for like somewhere between 10 and 15 minutes, and it's still like not done. It's like sticky but crumbly.
Okay, we'll cook this in. I'll start with 5.
Yeah, start with 5. And of course it didn't rise because it's got no riser in it, but candlelit tasting. No, I haven't.
Think it?
Oh.
Not bad.
Not.
It's not what you want a cookie to be.
No, it's not cookie.
This is pretty much a more solid form of the dough.
It like melts in your mouth.
So it didn't solidify enough.
Yeah, I think flour fixes
We
it.
use sciencey word like solidify and taste good.
Mhm.
You sure you guys get
So hopefully adding more flour will fix it. We'll see you guys when that cookie's done.
A little gooey.
There's the cookie. So far it's been in for around 10 minutes-ish. We're about to test it. What? You don't take the temperature of a cookie.
I don't know. It seems a little gooey on the top. Should we
Take it out. Take it out, sit it on the counter, let it sit for a few minutes, and it'll finish cooking without burning itself, without burning it. Well, that's it. When this cookie's cold and ready to taste, we'll taste it for you guys. But this is our last experiment. We're not going to make a third batch of the cookie. So that's the cookie, guys. We probably should have flattened it. Maybe that'll help with the cooking.
We can't try again because guess what? You're an idiot.
Yeah, I shut the oven off. Okay. Try it. Hot.
I like it.
It's good, but it's not it's a peanut butter cookie, but it's not peanut butter cookies.
Just
The texture is wrong.
Yeah. It's gonna be wrong. It's not what we're used to.
It's all melty and kind of cool.
I'll make it a batch of mom gets home.
So, yeah, for a full batch, you would use a cup of each, right?
Cup and a half of sugar. Well,
A cup and a half of sugar, a cup of peanut butter, and a cup of flour. And my guess is that would make an average of 12 cookies. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less, depending on the size of them. And cook them for like 10-15 minutes. When you touch them, the top will seem a little gooey, but the bottom will be slightly browned. That's how you know they're done. Take them out, set them on the counter till they're cooled, or eat them while warm. So,
I'm good. So, a few weeks we might be adding new videos. We're gonna be adding videos here and there. Make sure to go out check out our other videos on the B team, our chicken vlogs and stuff like that. And see you next time.
this has been Cooking with John.